Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some problem posted on Facebook. And special credits to Master Pieto Miramonti for sharing this wonderful question. And let's start. Here's the question. We have a raised to a equals 2 raised to square root of 200. And our goal is to find the value of a squared. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. And if you're ready, here's the solution. And I hope you pause this video. Now let's see if you got the correct answer. Now let's start with the given equation. We have a raised to a equals 2 raised to 200. Now what we're going to do is to factor out 200. Now 200 can be factored as 25 times 8. Now the question is, why not 100 times 2? And the reason is, I do it for a purpose. Now, let's continue. You will see the purpose later on. Now, square root of 25 will give us 5, and this will give us 2 raised to 5 multiplied by the square root of 8. Now, at this point, we will use some laws of exponent. If we have b raised to n raised to m, it is equal to b raised to n times m. Therefore, we can rewrite the right-hand side as follows. We have 2 raised to 5 raised to square root of 8. Next, 2 raised to 5 will give us 32. Therefore, our equation now becomes a raised to a equals 32 raised to square root of 8. Now, here's the trick. What we're going to do is to rewrite 32 as square root of 32 raised to 2. Now, we know square root and squared cancel each other. So, square root of 32 raised to 2 will also equal to 32. Now, at this point, we will use again this law of exponent. If we have b raised to n raised to m, it is equal to b raised to n times m. Therefore, this is equivalent to square root of 32 raised to 2 times square root of 8. But we know that 2 is equal to square root of 4. Now, at this point, we will use some property of radicals. If we have square root of p times square root of q, it is equal to square root of p times q. As long as their index are the same, you can multiply the radicand. Therefore, square root of 4 times square root of 8 is equal to square root of 32. Now, let's focus on this equation. We have a raised to a equals square root of 32 raised to square root of 32. It follows that a must be equal to square root of 32. But our goal is to find the value of a squared. So what we're going to do is to square both sides. Therefore, a squared equals 32. And as always, we're done.